Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a post on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner and hit on the profile, okay? Then you want to hit on the top right corner and click on the three straight lines. Now when you're on the settings menu, I want you to click on the third option, which is schedule content. When you click on schedule content, now we have the option to schedule a brand new post. You want to click on schedule now. Let's select the post. This is what we're going to schedule. You can actually select the multiple images, multiple posts by simply clicking on the double square, or pictures or videos, whatever you like. When you're ready with a single post, in our case, you can press next, and then you can press next if you're ready. You can add more music over here. Not gonna do that. You can press next, and then you have a very small interesting option over here, which is essentially schedule the post, not posting it. If you click advanced settings, you can click over here and you can click schedule this post. When you do this, you can schedule the timing, you can schedule the date, you can schedule the AM or the PM, and then you can simply click done. And there you have it. Your post will be scheduled for posting at this time at this day. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.